All right, hi. This is a quick preview of the project you're going to work on. Your mission is to create a chapter that's going to explain physical changes and chemical reactions. Imagine that you're writing a textbook for middle schoolers. For this project, you have two parts. First one is you're going to do the research and enter all of your information, the definitions, the text, what examples you're going to choose. I want you to, before you work on paper, plan ahead and work in the set of slides that you have had access to from in Google Classroom. So in these slides, you have fields. I want you to think of your definition and type it online in these slides before you write down the final information on paper. How is your textbook going to look? You're going to have a definition written in your own words for physical changes. As I just said, first you're going online in the Google Classroom slides and entering your final definition there before you copy it on the paper. You're going to have two examples of physical changes. One has to be a phase change. The other one is any other changes. Take a look at the format for the examples. You're going to have for physical changes, this is physical changes, you're going to have before and after. You're going to have an illustration, a molecular model right there, and a molecular formula. Finally, you're having a little explanation. I added my key here for my H2O molecular model. Let's look at this one. Same thing, you have before and after. An illustration. I decided to do mixed media and use paper, since I'm doing an example of tearing paper. A molecular model. I researched that paper is made out of cellulose. Cellulose is a complex molecule. I'm not asking you to draw the teeny tiny little molecules. It's too much work. So you can draw a simple model. This is and label it molecule of cellulose. I mean, that's for my specific example. And the molecular formula right there, an explanation. So two examples for physical changes. Key points to remember. You want to list what can change in a physical change and what stays the same. I forgot to mention, you cannot use water because I've already done it. And you cannot use paper because this example is right there. These are just guidelines that you can apply for your own examples. Okay, so that's physical changes. Chemical reactions. You're going to write a definition using your own words. Once again, you're going in Google Classroom and you're reflecting on how you're going to write that definition. You're typing it in the slides before you're writing it on paper. Then you're going to choose two examples of chemical reactions. I just noticed there's a typo right there. It should be chemical. Your examples, well, the only examples you cannot use is the one I'm not showing you, which is baking soda and vinegar. We've been using it a little bit too much. In your chemical reaction examples, you're going to see reactants and products, the illustration with labels, molecular formulas, and molecular models. Here, I decided to put all of the atoms. When the molecules become too complex, like if you're over 5 atoms, just use a model to represent these molecules. I've got my key and a little explanation right there. You're going to do the same for a second chemical reaction. And here, look at the notes that you completed earlier this week to find how to identify a chemical reaction. I'm expecting a bullet point list. In the back, if you look at textbook, I'm checking any random section, they have like a section one, a section assessment, which is kind of like a review. You're seeing reviewing key concept, and take a look at the textbooks that we have in the classroom. get inspired by these different questions. What you want in this section are similar questions that help students review whether they understood the concepts in your chapter. So you want to have 5 questions, and you want students to be able to find the answers in your textbooks. Okay? So make sure that the answers are in there. Finally, this is a very basic textbook. I know that you can color all of the letters. You can add a lot of illustrations that are going to make it really exciting to read. I know you are bursting with creativity, so I'm really curious to see the great ideas you're going to come up with. Good luck on this project. Bye.